Well, I can say here at VMware we started using HackerRank just about 2 years ago, and this was purely for the events team. Since then, we have teams throughout the company who are adopting HackerRank as a form of evaluation. We're constantly looking for top-tier technical talent that is passive in nature, and so their bandwidth is something that we have to remain very mindful of, and HackerRank helped us to solve that exact issue.
We decided to partner with HackerRank because we knew we could build more efficiencies into our process, and HackerRank allowed us to use a bias-free platform to simply identify good coders. We've seen some enormous advantages conferred from HackerRank. First and foremost, we save developers hundreds of hours every quarter. When you add up the number of hires that we're doing times the number of hours that it takes, it can cut into developer productivity pretty seriously. Beyond that, we actually see a higher success rate for candidates who come on site.
Oftentimes, after we've done a round of 6 or 12 interviews, hiring managers still sometimes seem to think that their phone screens outperform HackerRank. There still is a little bit of skepticism. Each time we break down the numbers, HackerRank has consistently outperformed phone screens. The HackerRank candidates end up always in the top ranking of our interviews, and it's become the best indicator we have to go to for trying to find a candidate to bring into onsite.
Last year, I held a recruitment event that we put together in Bucharest, Romania. Now, part of this search was we were looking for Bulgarian expats who maybe lived in other areas of Europe who were looking to relocate back home, get back to their family. So one of the most unique stories I have is we found a young man by the name of Anthony, and Anthony was working as a dishwasher in Spain. And at first glance at his resume, this might not be the first candidate you'd reach out to. That said, on his resume, he had graduated from the top school in Bulgaria. He had worked for a partial internship in just under a year for one of their top technical companies, but then had moved to Spain basically to wash dishes and learn Spanish. He'd done his year or two in Spain and he was looking to get back home. What HackerRank provided was we were able to let Anthony complete this evaluation. He was able to submit a sample of his code, his technical talent, alongside with his resume and profile. So with this candidate who our hiring manager may not have given a second chance or looked at twice in the past, now being able to see exactly what Anthony was capable of, he ended up being one of the strongest hires at our hiring event.
HackerRank has made a big impact on how we do our recruiting process. It's made it more efficient, a lot simpler, a lot straightforward, and every day we have more hiring managers coming to us asking if they can use HackerRank.
For any company who values their developers actually writing code on product versus spending time interviewing candidates, HackerRank is a great way to allow them to do exactly that.